welcome to Fix Your Apps. Today we are solving the old photo problem on WhatsApp. Look at this, a brand new high quality profile picture updated in seconds. If you want your profile to stand out and look professional, you are in the right place. I am going to show you exactly how to do this right now. Is your current photo boring? Maybe it is from 3 years ago and you are tired of looking at it every time you open the app. Many people find the settings confusing after the latest updates, but don't worry. Actually, I've seen so many users struggle to find the right menu, so let's fix that together. Alright, let's dive into the action. First, make sure you have WhatsApp open on your phone. Now look at the top right corner of the screen and find those 3 little dots. Go ahead and tap on them once. This will open up your main options menu where we can start the magic. Take a second to let that menu load. Next, look at the very bottom of that menu and tap on settings. This is your command center. Once you are inside, look at the very top where your name is written. Tap on your name or your current photo area. This takes you directly into your personal profile settings where we can manage your identity on the app. Now you will see a camera icon or an edit button near your picture. Tap on edit and then select the option that says gallery. Your gallery will open up instantly. Find your favorite new photo, tap on it to select and then hit done at the bottom. Your new look is now live for everyone to see. That was easy, right? If this tutorial helped you refresh your WhatsApp today, please subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more fast tech solutions. We upload guides every week to make your digital life easier. Don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend who needs a profile update. Thanks for watching.